Welcome back, YouTube. Omar, aka Tebow, back with you again, and we are on to part 2 of the Lancia 037 rally build video. Previously, we had put together our rear gearbox, motor mount, differentials in there. We're now going to go ahead and get our spur gear, idler gear, and our propeller joint ready to go. I do have the requisite ball bearings for this particular step. The ones that I'm missing are going to be the ones that go into the front of the car. I don't know why on these kits they're using some weird, they call it 1260 number ball bearings and one other different size. I have them on order, just don't have them, but regardless, let's just jump right in and let's get these pieces together. And we'll start with our spur. With our gears together, time to put it into the gearbox. Get our handy grease. Again, when you grease, just light little coating. A little bit goes a long way. No need to go crazy. As you can see, I'm not going nuts because I know once we spin the gears a little bit, it will spread those out. With step 7, we are going to attach our rear damper stay along with the 2 upper control arms. And then finally just putting in these 2 little O-rings and our outdrives, which help keep our dog bones from popping out during driving. Step 8 is going to have us attaching the rear arms. Just a word on this. Your arms themselves don't matter because they're identical. Just on your uprights, though, you do want to pay attention because there is a right side and a left side. If you take a look, you should be able to see, and I hope it shows on camera, they are marked left and right, so just pay attention when you're putting it together, and you shouldn't have any issues at all with it. Step 9 is going to conclude by installing our rear arms onto our rear gearbox. No real steps of importance, just be aware that when you are attaching this, that your washer is going to go between the upright and the top control arm there. It's the only little tricky piece. So outside of that, straightforward. Let's get it put together. And as always with these guys, I tend to put in the lower hinge pins in first. Just keeps my arms where I need them to be. Be sure you have nice freedom of movement. Don't forget about your O-rings if you didn't already put them in there. It's to keep these dog bones from popping out at extreme angles. You can see that it does come pretty close, and it just helps keep everything in place. This is a good spot where, again, in an attempt not to have giant long videos for you guys. I am going to stop part 2 since our next step moving forward from here is going to be jumping into bag B and getting our front gearbox, diffs, and all of that ready to go. So, on that note, thanks again for joining me, and I will catch you guys on the next episode.